Here today to go over my material box profile. When I posted one of my material box unboxings, one of you asked for me to go over my profile because they were not having the best luck with their boxes. And so I wanted to show you how I picked my profile or how I edited my profile for my material box so that it would help you maybe edit your profile so that you're getting items that you like in your boxes. And this is coming from obviously my own personal taste and what I know as a stylist. So I have some probably more information than everyone else, average consumer does. So I wanted to tell you why I picked what I did and get through this as quickly as possible. Okay, so first things first. The first category they have you select is dresses. The thing that's important for this is number one, that you like the shape of the dress, that the shape of the dress is flattering on you, you like the color, and you like the silhouettes, and you would wear it. So there are pieces on here that I think are darling, but would not be flattering on me for one reason or another. This dress is a perfect example, as is this. So I have broad shoulders, so this dress and this dress would not work on my body type. Even though I think they're adorable, I'm not going to pick them for that very reason. If you pick dresses that are not going to be flattering on you, they may send you something like that, and then you're going to be disappointed because it's not going to look good on your body type. So that's the first thing I picked here. This dress is the most boring dress on this page, but I know it would look, it would be flattering on me, and I know I could add accessories and other additional pieces to dress this up. Okay, so that is why I selected this piece. Not because I'm boring, because I'm far from it. All right, next. Tops. Did the same thing on this page. Take into account color, the silhouette, and whether you would wear the dress or not. So this one I love, but I don't like the pattern, even though I like the silhouette. So I did not select this. These two are going to be super flattering, and I think they're pretty silhouettes. So I selected those. I like this. It's a little funkier. This is more on the edge. It may not work on me, but I would try it because I think it's really cool and fun. Next. Same here with shorts. Keep in mind length, color, waist, high waist, low waist, all of those things. Things that are also, like, I think this is adorable. Leather skirt here. A lot of people may not wear a leather skirt, so don't select it just because you think it's cute if you would not wear it. And then I love denim cutoff shorts in the summer, so it's very Southern California. Next, short pants. Did the exact same thing here. Flattering, and I would wear them. So I ended up selecting some distressed denim, a pair of leather jeans, and a pair of white straight leg jeans. Next, skirts. Again, same thing. So you have a pencil skirt, universally flattering, a fun, edgier skirt, a more feminine skirt, and then a mini skirt leather. I have one mini skirt leather, and I think they're very fun, and you can dress them up with tights. And if you're petite or, on the shorter side, you can still get away with mini skirts. Just be careful about how mini, okay? Next, jackets. Same thing here. Denim jacket is just basic, like for me, it's a wardrobe essential, a leather moto. These are very in right now. And then a cute little gold blazer. For one reason or another, I did not select the rest of these. Either I didn't like the pattern or I knew it would not be flattering on me. And then where do you like to shop? In this category, I think the reason they're asking this question, and this is why I ask this of my own clients when I get new clients, it's because I'm trying to get a feel for what level, like what they're spending, number one, on their wardrobe, and what level of quality they're used to, and what aesthetic. So certain stores like Anthropologie have a very bohemian aesthetic. So if you pick a store like that, they're going to probably stick with that bohemian aesthetic when sending you clothes. I picked Nordstrom, which is very vague, honestly, because there's every category in that store from brass plum to designer. But I do like going there because they have a good variety, and that's why I shop there. I like Opening Ceremony. It's a designer that I just connect with. Zara, I like their European edgy vibes. And then J. Crew, I do like a little prep in my wardrobe. I also love thrift and vintage. If you do not know are not familiar with all of these stores or designers, you have the internet at your fingertips. So Google the brands and the stores and look them up and see if you like things from them. But more than likely, you're going to know the places you're shopping. Next. So 4 brands that best represent your style. They have a drop-down menu. I just picked 4 I really liked. I like Alice and Olivia. It's funky. I like Millie. It's funky and feminine. I like Veronica Beard. And I like Zadig and Voltaire, which is a French designer that's a little edgier. Next, 3 words to describe your style. I like sparkle, so I select glam. I'm definitely a feminine dresser, so I selected that. And then I like unique. I do not want to blend in. I am not a fan of blending in. I know a lot of people like that, and that is just not me. If that is you, pick conservative. Next. Okay, who's your style inspiration? If you do not know who these people are, you can, again, Google them. I think Blake Lively has darling personal style, and Olivia Palermo, so I selected those 2. Next, things we need to know about you. Social media. That's where they can follow you on your Instagram or Facebook or whatever and get to like kind of, I guess, stalk you and see what you wear. Your greatest style challenge. Mine is just getting bored. And then my favorite 3 pieces in my closet. You can name specific things here, or I just selected categories. These are like my go-to everyday, if I don't know what to wear, what I'll throw on. Crop flare denim, cashmere sweaters, and statement earrings. Right now, this is like my quote-unquote uniform. If I don't know what to wear, this is my go-to, okay? My birthday. Sizing, pretty straightforward. If you're not sure, I would look at what you have in your closet and what brands or what sizes are fitting you best at this point in time. They want to know how you like your clothes to fit. I like mine to fit tailored. And then additional sizing notes. If you have particular body type, body issues, I have broad shoulders and a large waist, so it's important for them to know that so they don't send me things that are meant for people with narrow shoulders and tiny waists. My body type. So most people are between 2 body types or more. I'm a straight and heart, but a straight is very easy to dress, so I did not select that one. I selected heart because it's more important that they know I have broad shoulders when they're selecting clothing for me. Features that I like, my arms and my legs, and features I do not want to show off are my back and my midsection. Why am I interested in Material Box? Because I love to shop. There's lots of other reasons you could be interested in, but that's mine. The type of clothing I want the most help with. I selected casual every day because that's what I wear 90% of the time. And so I would rather expand that part of my closet than add things like date night, seasonal update, business, and formal. However, it depends on you. So if you struggle with formal or business or seasonal update, date night, select those categories. And then what would you love to receive? I would love to receive unique pieces and bold colors. I do not want to receive super high heels, super conservative, or pastels. I'm interested in receiving shoes, yes, but nothing over a 3-inch. And accessories, all the above. I love accessories. Then how much you want to spend. So I just am comfortable spending under $150 for everything. Obviously, there are outliers in this category. So something like a nice handbag, obviously I would be comfortable spending over $200 on that. And shoes, I would probably be comfortable spending over $200 if they were a certain designer that I really loved. Dresses, you should always have a higher price point on your dresses because it's a full outfit. It's 2 pieces. So if you're willing to spend $50 to $100 on tops and bottoms, you should be willing to spend under $200 on a dress because it is an entire outfit. So keep that in mind when you are choosing your price for dresses. And then anything else you want your stylist to know. I don't have anything in this category or in this box, but if you have something specific that you worry about, then it's very important. The more information you can give them, the better of job they can do in sending you your box. And I believe that's it. So that's it, folks. I hope this was helpful for you. Let me know if you have any questions. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks so much.